Hey, I'm back from Flagstaff. I spent a week there over the holidays with at my friend Uncle Mark's. He's a longtime friend, but he's Uncle Mark to the kids. Anyway, back in Farmington, and as you can see in the thumbnail, we made some pizzas. Remember that Ooni Fyra that I had? If you've been following me any length of time at all, you knew I had an Ooni Fyra. I did a few pizzas on it, and my oldest son, Jonathan, he bakes bread like no one else, man. He can make bread and all kinds of different breads, sourdough breads, fancy breads, baguettes, everything. So I gave him the Ooni Fyra so he could make pizzas, and he kept sending me pictures of all these wood-fired pizzas he's been making in that. So while I was there, of course, we had to make pizza. So you're gonna see 3 different pizzas that we made while I was there. And I got to tell you, they were sourdough dough. The pizzas were outstanding. And anyway, check these out. They're really good.
Okay, now here's the stack of the Ooni Fyra. We've got a fire lit already. We've got a couple of corgis down there playing. The black and white is Ellie, and the other one is Forrest. Forrest is a little bit older than Ellie, but they love to play.
You have to have the pizza.
Okay, mozzarella and basil. And, you know, this Ooni Fyra, it don't take no time at all. Get that pizza out a little bit.
Whoa.
He'll get it. Spin it around a little bit.
So
Yeah, put it back in.
Yep.
With that, it's looking good already.
Show you how to do that, but I can't. Fine.
Okay, let's check it again. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in for about 10 more seconds.
Blisters.
He's off this week.
All right, look at that. Oh my goodness. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. All right, let's make the next one. Chopping up the smoked elk burger patty that we did the earlier today, actually.
Just do it that way.
And then, of course, you want to stretch your dough.
Stretchy the pizza.
Oh, just like that.
I haven't tossed one in a while. We'll probably do that too.
Look at that dough. Perfect. And then he's got some homemade
pizza to
sauce that he used some fresh tomatoes and made the sauce.
Let's do for this.
This guy knows how to make a pizza.
Let's get some elk on there. Whoa.
And we get the elk burger on there. Nice big chunks.
Never milled it through there. Let's put some of that. Let's do some garlic.
Yeah, gotta have a little garlic slices.
I feel like garlic is a nice thing to put with the...
And don't forget, there will be green chili on this one. You know what this one's for.
I had some. A couple of the bites were hot. A couple of them were not so bad. Some were real hot, so...
Yeah.
Careful. Caution, caution.
Fine. Drizzling a little olive oil on there.
Okay.
A little semolina on the peel. Try to get this on there.
Should have built this on the tray. That's all right. This one, a little mozzarella. Actually,
Pro
mozzarella
tip,
on this.
build your pizza
I had
on the
some
peel.
Shredded sharp cheddar. That I
Don't
think
forget
will
the
go
semolina
on
though.
Let's get that on there.
Mozzarella on there. And sharp cheddar. Looks good. Let's get it in the Ooni Fyra. Look at that.
That way.
A little bit on this side. And there you go.
Extra well done.
Hey, look at this thing. So good.
Okay, ready?
Whoa. Trying to keep up with it.
All right.
We did that in Pizza 3. That is nice. I like that.
Pro. This one's just gonna have sauce, pepperoni, onions, mozzarella, basil.
Oh, get on there.
How nice these cook up. Man, look at that. Give it a spin. Go back in for another 20 seconds or so.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, yummy.
That's how it's done right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, these were so delicious. Look at the bottom. Perfect. All right.
I told you they were really good. They looked awesome. The elk burger pizza was amazing. And anyway, yeah, I'm here for probably till the first week or two of February, and the new journey begins. So stick with me. I'll try to, like I said, try to get a video up at least once a week until then. And until then, I hope you have a great day.